Let's create colorful faces inspired by the book Mixed by the author Ari Chung. First, let's watch Mixed by Ari Chung.
In the beginning, there were 3 colors: reds, yellows, and blues. Reds were the loudest.
La 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 la.
Yellows were the brightest.
Ding.
And blues were the coolest.
Beep beep.
Everyone lived in color harmony until one afternoon when a red said,
Reds are the best.
The yellows disagreed.
No, we're the best because we're the brightest.
And the blues were too cool to even respond. The colors decided to live in separate parts of the city. But one day, a yellow noticed the blue, and something happened.
I feel so happy when I'm near you, and I feel so calm when I'm with you.
Yellow and blue became inseparable. Life felt so vibrant, but not all the colors were happy about it.
Colors shouldn't mix. I don't like that yellow's effect on blue. That blue isn't bright enough for yellow.
But yellow and blue loved each other so much they decided to mix. Together, they created a new color. They named her Green. Green was bright like yellow and calm like blue, but really, she was a color all her own. Everyone was fascinated.
I've never seen anything like her before. She's so cute.
Even the grumpy colors fell in love with green.
Can I hold her?
The colors began to see new possibilities. Soon, other colors mixed, and mixed, and mixed, and mixed. There were so many new colors and a lot of new names.
Don't forget your glasses, Lavender. Be careful, Jay. Have fun, Amber.
The old neighborhoods of Redville, Bluetown, and Yale Heights didn't make sense anymore. Everyone wanted to live together, so they rebuilt the city. The new city was full of color. It wasn't perfect, but it was home. The end.
So now that we've watched the story, what familiar shape are the characters in the story? If you said a circle or an oval, then you are right. We're going to be drawing and coloring in lots of different circles and even ovals for our project today. So if we look at these 2 drawings, what is different that stands out to you? If you said one is colored in neatly and one is very scribbly, then you are right. Our focus today is using our super neat coloring skills to make bright and vibrant and bold, fully colored in circles for our characters inspired by the story Mixed. So for our supplies today, we'll be using a piece of paper, we'll need a pencil to write our name, and then we'll need some colored markers to draw our circles with. Next time, we'll use a black marker to draw faces on our circles, like the characters in the book Mixed. The first thing I'm going to do is write my name on the back of my paper using a pencil. That way I know that this is my artwork. I'm going to flip it over, and then I can use any color of marker to start drawing my circles. We want to use a variety of sizes for our circles. Some can be big, some can be small. Some can overlap and bump into each other. Some can even go off of the page, and that is called cropping, where we can only see part of the circle and we have to imagine the rest. Notice that my circles are carefully colored in and there are no white spaces inside of them. That means I filled in all of my circle with color. So when you're drawing your circle, you're going to want to take your color and draw a circle. Draw it slowly and carefully so that it is in a circle shape and that you can close it. That means that the line goes all the way around and stops where it started. Then, using your marker, you can fill it in with the color. And I'm making sure to fill in all of the little white spots with my marker. When you're using your markers, notice that there is a pointy tip. That part is really great for drawing details with, but there's also a wider side of our marker. And that's what I'm using to color in. It goes a little bit faster, and it's a lot easier for me to fill in all of the little white spots. If I was using the tip of my marker, that would take me a very, very long time to fill in. So we want to find that side of our marker and color with it. And that way we can color neatly and fill in our entire circle. We want to make sure we don't go over the line, but if you do, that's okay. You can always make your circle a little bit wider. Just make your line go out a little bit further by drawing your circle again, and then you won't notice that you went over the line. All right, now I've colored one circle in, I'm going to do another one. I'm going to pick a different color than purple, something that will make purple stand out to put next to it. How about orange? And remember, we said that we could overlap our circles. So I drew my next circle over the purple a little bit. That's when we'll be able to see our colors mix. Notice when the purple and the orange overlap, it kind of makes a brown color. So we can see what happens when different colors mix together. Even though we're not using paint right now, the markers still work kind of like that. And notice I'm still filling in all of those little white spots. Now let's try to make some different sized circles. I'm going to put a circle on the edge of my paper. So I'm actually only drawing a half circle here. And again, I'm going to fill it in all the way, getting all those little white spots. We want to use a variety of sizes, remember, some large, some medium, and some tiny circles. That way we have all different sized characters. And our goal is to fill up our entire paper with circles. You should have at least 15 circles. I know that here I have a lot more than that. Let's count how many I have together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. So yes, I definitely have more than 15 on my paper. So would this be done? No, I would need to fill in all of the space that I could. And then next time when we work on this, we'll be adding fun character faces to our circles, like we're creating our own picture from the story Mixed. Does this circle look done? What do you think? If you said no, then you're right, because it has so many white spots. Remember, our goal is to color neatly and fill in all of the little white spots. And remember to use that side of your marker so that you can get a lot of color on your paper quickly. So I want to use all of the colors in the rainbow here. So try to use a variety of colors. And remember that you can overlap your circle, and then you can see what happens when colors mix. Okay, artists, so once your paper is filled with circles and you have at least 15 circles neatly colored in, then you are done with this project for today. I hope you had fun watching the story Mixed and starting your own art project inspired by it. I can't wait to see what you create. Have fun, artist!